Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Ongole location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for content writer in DCView Marketing Services Private Limited. And for this job role, they are looking for an enthusiastic graduates who are with creative minds and able to present their ideas with an excellent verbal knowledge. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for medical representative and it is from Bayan Therapeutics Private Limited. And for this position, uh, freshers and 4 years experienced candidates can apply. And if you see the qualifications required, like any graduate and preferably science graduation. And if you see the division, like neuro, diabetic, ortho, and general division, and reporting to first line manager or RM. And if you see the salary, it will ranges from 15,000 to 22,000 per month, and it is a full-time job role. And if you see the benefits, like cell phone reimbursement, health insurance, and internet reimbursement, and it will be a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, like they will provide performance bonus and yearly bonus. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year of experience is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for account executive in SAT Exports India Private Limited. And if you see the job requirements, like they are required female commerce graduates for an grant exports company, and candidate must know Tally, and she should know and speak English or Hindi fluently. And coming to the job type, it will be a full time, and freshers also eligible for this job role. And the pay scale ranges from 1,50,000 to 2,50,000 per year. And coming to the benefits, like paid sick time and paid time off, provident fund, and it is work from home. And coming to the schedule, it will be a day shift. And coming to the supplemental pay, like yearly bonus will be provided. And if you see the education required, like bachelor's degree is preferred. And coming to the experience required, like 1 year experienced candidates are preferred, and English language is preferred. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive in Kazana Jewelry. And coming to the desired candidate profile, like the candidate should have good communication skills and ability to handle customers, decent grooming style and pleasant appearance, and candidates to be flexible in work timings and ability to speak the local language. These are some desired candidate profile. And coming to the experience required, like freshers and 5 years experienced candidates in any retail. And if you see the education qualifications, like intermediate or any graduate. And if you see the salary, like best in the industry plus attractive incentives. And coming to the perks and benefits, like employees are provided with the statutory benefits like PF, ESI, etc., and ensured career growth, sales processing without any delay, and incentives are provided based on the target achieved and credited every month. These are some perks and benefits for this job role. And coming to the salary, it will ranges from 12,000 to 15,000 per month, and schedule will be a day shift. And for this, it is a walk-in interview. Freshers are also eligible for this job role, and you can walk in directly to their showroom for an interview from Monday to Friday. And timings will be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and venue is given here. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.